It's June 14th, 2020, and I hope all you are having a great day today. So I wanted to keep you guys updated with what's going on with my BRZ at the moment. There's a lot of things going wrong with it in regards to my clutch and my throwout bearing. And I also want to keep you guys updated with what's going on with the car with boosting it, as well as possibly getting a new car for my channel. So in my previous video I posted saying that I possibly might get a new car for my channel, possibly a 2020 Supra. I got a lot of positive feedback from all of you and I do appreciate that. And in regards to boosting my BRZ, if it doesn't happen right away, it will happen eventually. So today's Sunday today, and I wanted to keep you guys updated with what's going on with my car. Whenever the clutch was engaged, I would get a really bad metal sound with my clutch. And first it was a small squeak, but after the second day it got much worse. And I knew this was the throwout bearing because I've had this happen to prior cars I've owned. So as of right now, the BRZ is not drivable whatsoever. Whenever I put it in first gear, it usually dies, and if I get lucky, I could get going, but whenever I try to go into the usually second or third gear, it'll just completely slip, and it's not really safe to drive it right now. So in regards to my clutch and my throwout bearing, my clutch is most likely fine. All the symptoms my cars are having is the throwout bearing. The throwout bearing is only a $20 part. It's such a small part, and I actually got it overnighted, which I have it right here. So this is it right here. This is a throwout bearing for my 2015 BRZ, and this is just a small $20 part, and to put this on the car you have to drop the transmission. So today's Sunday and I'll be going to my buddy Tony's house this upcoming Friday, so in 5 days, to get my BRZ fixed. So I will be getting this throwout bearing replaced, my old one taken out, this new one put in, and at the same time I will be getting a new clutch for my car. So a clutch most likely isn't needed because all the symptoms for my car is just the throwout bearing. But the reason why I'm going to do my clutch is because my transmission will be dropped anyways, so I'll be paying the labor to get it down, so I might as well get both done at once. And the main reason is, since I will be boosting my car shortly, I do need an upgraded clutch to take more power. So like I said, I did overnight this throwout bearing because I thought I would be getting it done sooner, but since it is this Friday, I'm waiting for my clutch to get in the mail too. And I'm not going to give away what clutch I got yet, but this clutch can hold a lot of power, so when I do boost my car, I won't run into any issues in regards to my transmission. So right now we'll head down to the garage. I'm going to pull the car out but not drive it. I do have something I do want to put on it right now. Alright, so I'm going to pull the BRZ out really quick. I shouldn't have a problem backing it out just to put something on the car. And I do apologize, my car is filthy right now. It is so dirty. I haven't got a car wash in almost 2 weeks, and it rained a couple times. I'm getting new side markers for the BRZ that are coming in. I don't have my front right fender liner, but I did purchase a new one from one of my friends in my group that has it, and I'll be putting that on the car shortly. And another thing I don't have on the car is my fender canards, and I'm gonna pull the car out, and the car does not look right without these canards here. I love my Cybon wide fenders. They're carbon fiber, they look amazing. It makes the car look so aggressive in the front, and it looks so bad not having anything here. And I'll pull the car out really quick, then I'll explain exactly what's going on. So I am gonna back my BRZ out. That means you guys will hear how my clutch sounds, and it does sound really bad. And I'm just gonna back it out so you guys can see my car in the sun and exactly what I'll be putting on the car. Kinda nervous about this, but hopefully it's okay. Man, that cold start though. Sounds so good. This exhaust setup sounds so good. Alright, so I haven't pushed on the clutch yet other than turning on the car. And let's see. Oh my god. I'm not sure if you can hear that on camera, but I'll do it one more time then back out. But listen to this. Oh my god. It's so bad. And It really does suck, but I know I'm getting it fixed in 5 days. All right, guys, got the car out, no problem. It just sounded really bad. I almost stalled backing it out, and you can see how filthy it is in the sun. It's really bad. And I would drive it to a car wash right now, but well, it's exposed. I don't have my right fender liner. I can't really drive it anywhere. And once I get my new clutch and my new throwout bearing put in, the first thing I'll be doing is getting a nice car wash and detail. So backing up here, my BRZ looks honestly so good right now. Everything from my working motion, VCR Kiwamis, the perfect fitment I have there, these carbon fiber fenders, all the aero pieces, my new aggressive front lip that looks amazing, my TRD canards, everything just looks so good with the car right now. And like I said, the fitment is honestly perfect. And going in the back, we have these Valentias with the carbon fiber, and they look so great in the sun with my carbon fiber Leg Sport ducktail wing. One thing that's been bothering me in regards to my cosmetic look of my car is, like I said, my fender canards. I've had my Cybon carbon fiber fenders for a good amount of time now, and about a month ago, it's been about a month now, I ordered some really nice carbon fiber fender canards coming from out of the country, but it is stuck in customs due to the coronavirus. Because it's coming out of the country, it's stuck in customs and it's taking a long time to get here, and it could take even longer. And I told myself I'll wait, but in the meantime, I'm just gonna put something here that I think it'll look good for now. And it's something I could put on the car right now until I get the actual carbon fiber garnish I actually want. All right, so let's take these out here. So as you can see, it is dark gray metallic. It is paint matched here. Don't get me wrong, the BRZ fender garnishes look good, but I think these look that much more aggressive, especially for the setup I have here. And the weird part is, for these fenders, the clips in the back don't match up and it won't click in. These align perfectly with that, but these holes are just a little bit too big. Some 3M tape so it will stay in place, and I really do think it looks awesome. Alright guys, so I didn't tape it in yet. I just laid it up to the car, and it really does change how the car looks. And it's honestly all in the details. It's a small modification. This isn't even the final product of what the fenders are going to look like, but I feel like I made the right choice to get these 8.6 fender garnishes for my BRZ. Looking at the BRZ, these look so good. These look so much more aggressive than the stock BRZ ones. And those do look good, don't get me wrong, but I feel like for my setup right now, this is a good thing to have until I get my carbon fiber ones. All right, so let's take a look on this side over here. Wow, look at that. That looks so good. So I'm about to tape them on right now. I wish the clips did work for them, but at least it fits properly. We'll get this taped up right now. We'll clean this all off so the 3M will stick no problem, and let's get these on.
Later that same evening.
And the sun isn't as harsh, so it looks good out here. And I think they look awesome. These are taped on now, and it's flush, looks really good. And I definitely think these look better with these carbon fiber fenders than the stock BRZ garnishes would. I like how these look. It definitely looks better than it did before. I felt bad not having any garnishes here. It looked like something was missing. And until my carbon fiber ones come in, these will definitely work for now. And it's still looking good, but there's a lot of stuff that's missing with the car right now. Also, these side markers will be in really soon, and they're going to look awesome. Especially with my carbon fiber, it's going to look really good. I've sold my STI side skirts I had for the BRZ, and I bought some new ones which are going to look awesome. It's going to complement my front lip a lot more. But the one thing I want to replace too is my UCS OEM Plus rear diffuser. I think it looks great, don't get me wrong. I want a more aggressive diffuser to match my aggressive front end of my BRZ. And I know there wasn't much that happened in this video, but There's a lot of things happening with the car in regards to cosmetic stuff and with power, and I can't wait to share this with all of you. A lot of big things are coming, and I told you guys most of it but not all of it. And like I said in my last video, I most likely am getting a new car for the channel. It's gonna be awesome to have another car to modify, another build to share with all of you. So please leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Please leave a comment down below what you guys think of my new garnishes for my fenders. They look great in my opinion, and like I said, they are temporary until I get my carbon fiber ones I bought from Japan. And remember, I respond back to every single comment I get. Peace out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.